I want to take the number of questions the student got right out of 30 from the left table and look up from the table on the right to get their grade. Left-click on cell C2 to select it. To use VLOOKUP as a formula, type equals VLOOKUP, begin parentheses, into cell C2. What I'm trying to look up is in column B. Since we're on row 2, we specifically want cell B2. To enter into the formula I've started in cell C2, type $B2, comma. There is a specific section coming that explains why we use the $. Next, I need a table of what I'm trying to look up from. In this case, the letter grade table. To select it, left-click on F1 and hold. Drag to the bottom of the table, cell G14. Press F4 to convert to a static reference of F1 through G14. We'll explain why later. The index data must be in the first column of the second table for VLOOKUP to work. Type comma 2, comma true, end parentheses, and hit enter. Column 2 of the range contains what I'm trying to return, the letter grade. True simply means closest match, which is what I want in this case. Go back to cell C2 and select it. Double-click on the little black square in the lower right corner of the cell to autofill down. Voila! VLOOKUP has done all the heavy lifting for me, filling in the letter grade based on the number of questions a student got right out of 30. Imagine how much work this could save for a list of 150 students. To get more information about any formula you're using, such as VLOOKUP, left-click the FX button for more details. With the FX button, the function argument box pops up, giving details on the function, the steps, and the results. The lookup value box is first in the list. In this, you need to have the what value that you are trying to look up. The second box contains input for the table array. That's shorthand for where are you trying to look up from. Remember, the lookup value must be in the first column of the table array in order for VLOOKUP to work. That's where it's going to try to match the values in the first column of the range. The third box in function arguments is the column index number. This is the column from the range that contains the values I want to return. In this case, the second column in the range I selected for table array contains the letter grade. The column number isn't 7. G is the 7th column on the page. That would return an error. It's always the column number in the range. Since the range starts at F, column G is column 2. The last box, range lookup, gets either a true or false entered. It is optional, so if you enter nothing, it assumes true. True means closest match, and false means exact match. In this case, we entered true as we specifically needed the closest match. These items are always entered in order. Mixing them up, and the formula will malfunction. The correct order is lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup.